Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add clock widget in Notion, and here's how it is done. To begin, go to widgetbox.app to get your own clock widget and sign up to get started. After signing up, you will be redirected to its homepage. At the left side of your screen, there are a few options for widgets to choose. Click clocks, then choose digital clock. From here, you can customize and embed your widget. You can change the background, text color, rounded corners, and the clock type, or you can use the default clock. Once done, click the copy embed URL located at the top of your screen. Now go back to Notion. Type /embed and click for the embed block. Then paste the URL you copied from the widget box and click the embed link option. Just wait for a few seconds for your clock widget to reflect in your Notion. And that's everything you need to know about how to add clock widget in Notion. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!